Hi everyone, welcome to IvyProSchool and welcome to our Power BI series. So today we are going to understand a very simple scenario. So right now on my screen you can see a visual where I am showing basically the total cells, which is nothing but sum of cells by each month of a calendar year. Okay, so now here the month is done sorted on the basis of a calendar year starting from January and going up to December. Now, suppose the interviewer has given you a scenario where he's asking that suppose your organization has a fiscal year starting from April and ending in March. So this April to March. So if you need to sort this same visual on the basis of the fiscal year, that is instead of January, starting will be from April, and instead of ending in December, the ending will be in March. So how do we achieve that result? So let's see in the data set. So we have a calendar year. So in the calendar year, we can see there is a date, and I have extracted the year, month number, day and month. So right now the month is sorted on the basis of the month number, that is January as 1, February as 2, March as 3, April as 4, and so on. Now what we want to achieve in this result is the month remains the same, right? But instead of January as month number 1, we would want to see April as month number 1, May as month number 2, June as month number 3, and March as month number 12. Okay, so how do we achieve that? Let's go ahead and create a new column. Okay, let's name it as new month number, and let's use a DAX measure, create the DAX measure using if function. So if calendar year month, so we would select as calendar month number is greater than 3. So why greater than 3? So we want the fiscal year as starting from April, right? So April is the 4th month in a calendar year. So you would want something greater than 3. So in this case, we want to start the calendar year from April. So hence, greater than 3 means 4 starting from April. Okay. Now, if this condition is met, so what would be the result in that case? Result would be calendar year, again month number, minus 3. Now, why do we use minus 3? Okay. So if the result is 2, we would want the month number of April as 1, right? So in that case, month number, as I said, April is the 4th month in the calendar year, so minus 3 would give me 1. So that means April will become 1, May will become 2, and March will be June will become month number 3. Okay, and if the condition is not met, so what in that case, what will be the result? So we will again select calendar month number, and we would give it plus 9. So why 9? So since we are trying to put instead of December, we want to show March as the 12th month. So hence we are adding March, which is usually 3rd month in a calendar year, plus 9, that is 12. So in this case, March will become 12th month, month number 12. February will become month number 11, and January will become month number 10. So let's close the bracket and press enter. Let's see if the result is achieved. Okay, so as we wanted, so we can see January is now month number 10, February is month number 11, March is 12, and April becomes month number 1, which we wanted, that is starting from April going up to March. So now how do we show this in the visual? So earlier the visual was showing as starting from January going up to December. So let's select the month, and now from this sort by column, instead of month number, which was originally there in the calendar table, we would select the new month number which we have just now created. Okay, so now let's see, go and the visual and see if the changes are done. So now you can see right now the total cells has been shown as per the fiscal year as required, So it's starting from April, May, June, July and going up to March. So next time you are asked to change this scenario, suppose instead of January as month number 10 or starting from April, your manager asked you that the fiscal year is from June to April, right? Okay, so how do you achieve that? So in that case, we would just need to go here in this DAX measure and change the coordinates here as per our requirement based on the scenario and simply change the visuals. Hope you have liked this video. Thank you.